Hi, let's make a paper model of a police patrol car number 1. Welcome to Warsaw World. We will require a cutting mat, print out on A4 size paper, scissor, empty or dried up ballpoint pen, steel ruler, paper cutting knife, pincers, PVA glue, and specs if required. I wanted a smaller sized car, so I have taken printouts of two models on a single A4 size paper. In other words, the printout of each model is on A5 size paper. We will begin with scoring all the fold lines. This paper model is very simple to make. I have used this model in my stop motion photography videos. I'll put the link of these videos in the description box below. Wherever possible, I'll place the link in the description box below of the websites from where you can download the templates and patterns of these paper models. In the beginning of this video, we have seen a stop motion photography video. I think it has charmed you like it has always charmed me. Stop motion photography, more accurately called stop motion animation, is an animation technique that makes still objects appear to move, just like in this case. The cars shown in this video do not have any moving wheels or any mechanized part. Still, we perceive that these cars are moving on their own. This is done by capturing a series of photos of a physical object, making a slight adjustment to the object, and then taking another photo. When the pictures are played back rapidly in sequence, the viewer perceives continuous motion. This is we generally take around 8 to 10 photos or frames per second, or if you want a smoother video, then we can go up to 24 photos per second. In my channel you will find videos of many paper cars. You can make many of these paper cars with the links given of the websites from where you can download the templates and the patterns of these cars. And with these cars, you can make your own stop photography motion pictures. With a little bit of imagination, a little bit of planning, a little bit of patience and some free time, we can make interesting stop motion videos and stop motion photography animations also. Congratulations! Our paper car model of a police car is ready for display. Hope this has inspired you into making one yourself. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest.